Now, when we talk about this intellectual property rights, we know that these are the legal rights which are granted to creators or innovators, and it is like a for what? It is for the intellectual creations, right, and that gives a exclusive control and a economic benefit to the creator, to the owner of that particular intellectual property. These rights are enshrined in a various legal frameworks, including national laws, then there are international treaties, there are conventions, and we have already discussed that Berne Convention, Paris Convention. So, we have talked about that in the earlier session. So, these conventions, different type of statutes are there, national laws are there, which you will deal with in a second week. International treaties are there, Madrid Protocol is there, Lisbon classification, Nice classification, all these details you will go into when you will go into the details of a week 2.